Hi everybody, it's Eugene from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a Honda CRV sound system. Now the tools you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic spudger, preferably blue. Okay, so before you remove your radio though, look for this card in your glove box, possibly in your owner's manual sleeve. This card is for this radio. It won't work on any other Honda CRV radio. It will only work for this one. Each one is specific, so make sure you've got that because you will need that to reinstall the radio. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove these two air vents here, and we have loosened ours, but you'll need to get a spudger into each corner, pry them out to remove them. They're on clips and the clips can be quite tight. So always pull away from the dash so you don't damage the dash. Same with this side. Take them out, put them aside. And that will expose two screws. Two screws. We've removed ours. And once you've got the two screws out, give it a good pull. It will come out with a clunk. And you'll need to remove this top one first because that's holding the radio in. And then you'll need to remove the other clips at the back. Alright, most of the clips come out with just a little press and pull. This one's slightly different. It's got an inside clip, and you'll need to press the middle clip and then pull the slidey thing forward and pull it all the way out. And that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.